Alright folks, Sunday fun day ride. Pretty cool chill ride, great weather, super overcast. But total miles, almost 25 miles distance. I think I hit top speed 48.5 miles per hour. Check that video out, it's pretty fun. Had to tuck in pretty good. But it took me about 5 to 6 miles to get there. It's a destination far point. So I was conserving power. I do have the dual battery setup, dual 60 volt, total 40 AH on the Billy Goat version 2. But conserved power to get there, had about 85% battery. So from there, took a left and hit the main road and just gunned it. So I think I got a good run, 48 miles per hour. Bike is running strong. If you do run full speed all the time, I noticed that the motor temps do get pretty warm. So I think I did about 60% full throttle today. Battery is recovering. I think it just dipped down to around 40. Running full speed, dual batteries. Now it's back up to 50% level. I'm sure it'll go back to about 55% when it recovers and sits here and rests.